So ayun first time natin magmamaneho ng e-scooter
Be part of our Kai Gun community
in Facebook.
and enjoy the following special perks of being a Kai Gun community member.
Join our exclusive product launch activity. Members can join exclusive events such as motor shows, gatherings, motor rides, etc.
Express your opinion by feedback or comments, surveys, and poll questions. They can even send a private message if they have concerns or queries.
Join our special promotion, like raffle draws, a referral program to get incentives, and Kai Gun card benefits.
5% discount on oil and spare parts.
10% discount on accessories, apparels and merchandise.
10% discount on labor charges.
1% discount on purchases of brand new motorcycle.
What are you waiting for? Kai Gun. Be part of our Kai Gun community.
Maraming salamat, Motor Central Kaibigan Community. Salamat, Motor Central!
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow.
So ayun first time natin magmamaneho ng e-scooter So yun, in-start na natin. Ready. So yun so basically nakakapanibago, lalo na galing ka sa motor o kaya scooter na powered fueled na sasakyan na scooter. Maninibago ka talaga sa super tahimik, walang vibration kung nag-start na ba siya o anuman. So I highly suggest na yung ganitong klaseng sasakyan pang subdivision lang talaga, pang dito lang ika nga sa loob ng bayan. And then isang problema ko din pala dito, syempre sanay tayo sa declutch, lalo na declutch. So pwede kang yung throttle na pwede mong ganunin lang, di ba? Magre-response yung yung motor. Dito naman kabaligtaran, dahil kailangan mo talagang timplahin, lalo na dahil hindi ka talaga bibigyan ng power nito, dahil 40 to 45 kilometers per hour lang yung kanyang maximum na speed. So yan, subukan natin so may indicator din ng power. So, tingnan natin dito sa private pa naman to ay hindi pala dito pwede. So pala pwede dito, one way pala to. So try natin yung speed nya. So number 2, meron tayong 41 So number 3, 45. Ayun, 45 kilometers per hour lang yung sagad niya. So barely, no, parang ano lang talaga, within subdivision, within sa ano nyo lang, malapit-lapit lang. Go grocery ka, ganoon. So yung handling niya para yung scooter lang naman din eh. Tsaka yung laki niya, tingnan niyo naman yung legroom nito. Oh. Tingnan niyo naman yung legroom, oh. Oh, 'di ba? Talo pa nito yung mga scooter na 115, 110 at saka 125. Sa laki ng legroom niya, komportable ka in the sense na may legroom siya. Then yung brake niya naman is ayun, typical na responsive naman, ano. Tsaka gandaan kasi nito, naka disc brake kasi yung ano nito eh, yung unahan na brake. Kaya medyo secure ka rin. Pag sa typical na ano niya, yung mga pavement, yun, medyo ano lang talaga. Alam mo naman na hindi pa ganun kaganda talaga yung kanyang shock. Unlike sa ano talaga, yung hydraulic na shock. Although decent naman yung ano, yung vibration, ano. So yung braking system niya, yun. Kapit naman. Then sa medyo malabak ng konti, okay, much better siya compare sa bike. Kasi minsan nakapag-bike ako, medyo matagtag talaga yun, no? ...40 to 45 kilometers ba? Ma-wind noise din, ha? Nakaramdaman ka dito sa suot ko na helmet, ha? Okay. So yun talaga, ano, alalay ka lang dito sa throttle na mechanism. Kasi alam mo sa declutch talaga iba eh, pagka ganun-ganunin mo, pisilin mo lang yung clutch, matitimpla mo talaga eh. Wherein dito talaga it is a new territory. Pero sarap niya gamitin, ha? In fairness. So I suggest pag bumili ka nito, iwas ka lang sa national road. Kung bakit, malalaman natin yung susunod na vlog. So yun lang, ano, kung nagustuhan mo yung content for today, consider to subscribe and hit that notification bell para notify ka sa mga future uploads natin. Dahil marami tayong matutunan sa content na to, in particular sa e-scooter or e-bike.